Good equipment deals. We're here in Lufkin, Texas. It is December the 10th, 2024. We've got a Cat 416, I believe this is a B model, 4-wheel drive turbo loader backhoe unit. Pretty nice machine, in pretty good shape. The hour meter is accurate on it. It's still working. We'll show you that in the video. It's got a little over 9,000 hours showing there on the meter. Go ahead and take a look at it. Pretty nice machine. Without further ado, look at this. Tires are in good shape, good tread on them. Want to show there's zero blow-by out of this unit. Running clean, no blow-by. There's not seem to be any visible leaks that we can tell from the engine, but we have not had the cover off. Runs clean. The cylinders are also very clean. The exterior is actually in pretty good shape. The lights on the exterior are working in the front. One is working in the rear. The other one might need some wiring or just maybe a light bulb change on it, but that's the only one that does not work. No seeping from that one, and also from these. And none of those are leaking. That one's also clean. And this one as well is very clean. No major seeping of any sort or leaking. Cylinder looks to be pretty good. You can see there's a little bit of seeping, but that's pretty normal for a stick cylinder. It gets used a lot, but really in pretty good shape. It's got I think it's a 24-inch bucket on it. The stick and the boom is good shape. No welds, no cracks to be seen. Maybe there was some sort of repair done here on the boom at some point. Or the machine with 9,000 hours. I'm sure there's been more than just that. But as you can see, pretty clean. Nice little unit. This cylinder, well, no leaking from it. Tires in decent shape. The glass is all here besides this side. We're missing a glass here and also here. Also a glass missing here. Bucket's in good shape. Cutting edge is like new. Really good shape. Now I'll go ahead and hop up in the cab. Show you the inside here. The door looks like it got a little bit of bent right there. Also there's a little bit of corrosion here on the bottom of the battery box. Again, the lights do work. The blower does work and the heat is coming out. We have it set for heat. We also have had it set for cold, and the cold has worked as well. As you can see, it's working. Horn doesn't work. Not sure if that works either. We will show that the meter is working here. So 9,651 hours. RPMs are also working. Somewhat. Wipers and stuff are not working, but these light switches are. I assume this also works as well. Go ahead and come back to the back side. Again, the back window glass is missing. The loader backhoe portion, all the controls are working. We'll go ahead and show you a quick little operations video of that. But the heater does work in here. It is starting to get hot. There you go. As you can see, the unit starts, runs, works, has no blow-by. It's a 416B cat, 9,000, a little bit over 9,000 hours on it. No welds or major cracks in the boom or the stick. Really nice shape, ready to go unit. So if you're interested in this machine, it's here located in Lufkin, Texas. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS.